Okay, so now that we have used AI to analyze the products and we have perfect product data, let's go ahead with the enrichment of this data. In this case, we're going to do the e-commerce description, the SEO description here. So we just mark them all. We're going to do this in bulk. We go to AI and to AI Enrich. Again, we can choose the model. This is agnostic on Bluestone's behalf, so you can plug in any model that you have available in your business. And again, the language we want to work in. And here's the input. So this is important then, that we send data to the model that is relevant. So in this case, I have a predefined set of attributes I want to use. I'm also going to send the images in, so the AI can look at the images and be able to deduct even more about these products. For the output, this is what attributes that we want to enrich in this process. In this case, we wanted to work on that e-commerce description and the SEO description. As you see, you can add up to 50 attributes here at the same time to work on. For now, let's just use these two. Here come the prompts. So we have some standard prompts here, but I will add some more instructions here. So for the e-commerce description, I will tell the AI to add some flair to this. If I can spell, it's gonna help. Make it fun. Add emojis. Let's try that. And for the SEO description, we're just gonna tell the AI to optimize for SEO. Use a lot of keywords. Well, this is where the prompt engineering comes in, and you can tweak this just to make sure that you get what you want. Let's get a preview of this. Okay, so here we see first the e-commerce description that is suggested by the AI. It has those emojis we asked for, and then the SEO description, which is using more keywords. Looks good to me for now. Let's just do this for all 7 products. So now this is going to be sent to the endpoints, and it's going to work in the background, so we can keep kind of working with our products in other ways while this is being done. Okay, we can see now that the enrichment has been done for these 7 products. Let's just go out into our product grid, and you can now see that this red validation error here is gone, and instead we have e-commerce descriptions just as we asked for with those emojis, and we also have the SEO optimized description here with more keywords. So that looks good. Kind of done with that enrichment now. For the next step, we're going to go ahead and translate this to another language so that we can publish to all our channels.